Question 11 says, determine a unit rate for each situation. Well, this is pretty simple because it gives you the rate and you just have to be able to make it and make the unit rate. So Stephen runs up 300 steps. So we're going to do a steps to time ratio. 300 steps in 6 minutes. And to make a unit rate, I have to divide by the second term in order to get it to be 1, in this case 6. And I have 50 steps per minute. Now, is that the only ratio possible? No, it's not. Or sorry, rate, I should say. I can make another unit rate. If I was to take it and reverse it and have 6 minutes on top. All right, if I was to put 6 minutes on top and 300 steps on the bottom, I could divide both by 300. And I would have 1 step. That's going to get pretty complicated here. Let's go 600. Let's go 6 minutes is, well, 60 seconds per. So 60 times 6 is 360 seconds instead of the minutes. I'm going to change this just to make it a little easier. Hopefully you see what I did there. It was 6 minutes, but I'm going to change 6 minutes to 360 seconds. It's the same thing. So then I'm going to say, let's take my calculator. Let's figure out what 360 divided by 300 is. And it tells me it's 1.2. So what does that mean? Well, this unit rate from the same information says 1.2 seconds per step. That's how long it takes me to do a step. Both of those are correct answers. And I won't do that for B, C, and D, but hopefully you get the idea that those can be interchangeable if you wanted them to be. Okay, let's look at erasing this. Take our marker. $3.60 is the price of 4 liters of milk. So let's do it cost per volume. We have $3.60 for how much volume? For 4 liters of milk. So therefore, for 1 liter, I would divide both by 4, and I would get 90 cents per liter. That's pretty cheap. This must be an American book. That's pretty cheap. I think here it's like, well, it's a lot more than that for sure. Plus, we don't know. Well, maybe we do sell 4 liters of milk. I don't know. C says a jet travels kilometers per hour. That's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to do 2184. That's going to be distance to time, 3.5 hours. I'm going to divide both by 3.5. And I'm going to get 1 hour down here. And then I need my calculator for the next one. 2184 divided by 3.5 equals 624. So we have 624 kilometers per hour. That's pretty fast. That's how fast my Vespa can go if it falls out of an airplane. And the last one, a polar bear gains 450 kilograms in 9 years, similar to me. So we'll extend this page a little bit. 450 kilograms in 9 years. And remember, we could have this reversed. We could have it years per kilogram. How many years does it take to gain a kilogram, or how many days in that case, or so on and so forth. Divide both by 9. I have 1 year. He gains 50 kilograms. So what does that mean? He gains 50 kilograms per